Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable email templates and automations in Retool. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable email templates and automations in Retool, start by logging into your Retool account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the project where you want to set up email templates. In the left sidebar, click on Resources. From the Resources menu, select Email. Click on the Create New. Fill in the details for your email service provider. Choose an SMTP service like SendGrid or Mailgun if you have one. Enter the required authentication details, such as your API key and SMTP server information. After filling in the necessary fields, click the Save button to save your email resource. Next, head over to the Templates tab located within the email settings. Click on the Create New Template button to create your email template. Give your template a descriptive name for easy identification. In the template editor, compose your email message. You can add placeholders for personalization like recipient name or order details. Once you're satisfied with your template, click the Save button. Now, to set up an automation, navigate to the Automations tab in your Retool project. Click on the Create New Automation button to start. Select the trigger for your automation, such as form submissions or user registrations. Define the conditions under which you want the email to be sent. Choose the email template you created earlier from the drop-down menu. Configure any additional settings like delay or email recipient list. After completing the setup, click Save to finalize your automation. Test your email template and automation by submitting a sample data entry. Check your inbox to confirm the email is received as expected. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure everything functions smoothly. You have now successfully enabled email templates and automations in Retool. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.